Primera Guerra, la Segunda Guerra Mundial, funcionando como tal, pero la Segunda Guerra pues también lo que dañaron los dos. How many calories? And they have a variety of different chocolate bottles on the inside.
There's Checkpoint Charlie right up there. Gross.
Yeah, that's the end.
And of course, right at the checkpoint, a McDonald's.
So just where these people are walking across the street over here, and where the bikes are going right now, when the car moves away, I'll show you. We'll be able to see a line of bricks in the center of the street, where the bikes are right now. Can you see the bricks in the street there? Right through the center. That is the borderline, and we'll be walking there in a couple of moments' time. But unbeknownst to us, as we walk down the street, we also breached the brick line back here, going right to the center of the street. And we have walked into West Berlin for the first time on our tour. So we have come now from east into west, and everything before us.
Now, and in the west, walking on the east.